Let's start running. 3, 2, 1. Yo!
It's kind of fast than the other ones.
Yes! He's absolutely fast! And I don't like this. This is a stop test. Alright guys, this is a test. And he goes, and he gets stopped, and the test is done. I really like Donald. Because absolutely he likes his number 9. And this is gonna be our best memories ever for Donald. So I'm very excited to have a spring break tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna make a very own track build for Donald. And here's our track that we make a test earlier. Let's test again, and so he's running now. So like other YouTubers have their own Donalds and Thomas Press Push Along Duck. The ologists go. We finally got Donald memorized, and particularly I create myself better. Well, this is my hat, but guys, Donald has a dot on his face.
Hey, look up.
You can see his dot.
Hey, we haven't tried it. It's the old Donald one, the original one.
So there's a dot up there. Can I see? There's a dot. Yeah, there's a dot. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe button. And by the way, thank you Thomas and Friends for creating the Donaldologists Go. You're my favorite YouTuber, Thomas and Friends. Okay guys, I'll see you tomorrow to make a very own track build for Donald. Bye. Oh, sorry. And by the way.
Wait. Hold on. I gotta do something.